Traders, listen closely because MMT Coin is setting up one of those moments where structure, patience, and discipline will separate the profitable traders from the emotional ones. Many traders get trapped right at zones like this because they rush in without reading the story the chart is already telling. But you're not going to make that mistake today. So as you can see, we are on MMT Coin again. And if you missed our previous analysis, you can check the link in the description. In the last analysis, I mentioned that we had a strong resistance level, and we also saw a double touch formation that showed clear bearish microstructure. I said that if the price broke that resistance level, then we were simply going to wait for the retest and look for a buying opportunity from there. And as you can see, that is exactly what the market did. Price came back, broke that resistance level with strength, and then returned perfectly for the retest before giving us a clean short-term buy. That is why following market structure is everything in trading, because structure rarely lies. Now let's talk about what is happening right now. If you look closely at MMT Coin, you'll notice that the market has shifted into an uptrend direction. The price is forming a clear series of higher lows and higher highs, which tells us that buyers are currently in control and momentum is pushing upward. The same resistance level that was broken earlier is now acting as a strong support zone. This flip is very important because when a resistance level becomes support, it often becomes the exact point where price makes its next big move. Here is what I am waiting for next. If the market comes back to this support zone around 0.38 and gives us a strong bullish candlestick, something like a rejection wick or bullish engulfing, that will be our confirmation to buy from that zone and ride the next move to the upside. But if the market fails to respect this level and instead breaks below it, that completely changes the story. That would mean sellers are stepping back in for the second time. In that scenario, we don't rush. We wait for the retest of the broken level and then look for a clean bearish confirmation to sell from there to the downside. So in summary, MMT Coin is currently in an uptrend direction, forming higher lows and higher highs. Our previously broken resistance level is now acting as our key support zone. If the price comes back and respects the level, we buy. If it doesn't respect it and breaks below, we wait for the retest and sell. Now the big question for you, do you think buyers will defend this support level again, or are sellers preparing to flip the structure and take over from here? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. All right, traders, that is all on MMT Coin for today. Until then, trade safe, stay disciplined, and I will see you in the next video.